15.
All right, starts with kinks, and then 150, crest, 2, 1, go. Kinks, 150, crest, jog left, right 5 tightens.
150.
Yep.
Okay, crest.
Left 5, or left, right 5 tightens. Left 6, bridge.
Bridge.
Left 6 up. Right 6. 100 up. Jog left, right 2, right 2. Down. Left 3, kink right, left 5 opens. And left 6, 50. Right 6.
Left 6?
Yep.
Okay.
50, right 6, long. 100, kinks. Left 5,
Okay.
300.
Kinks. Left 6.
Left 5, 300. Logs on the right. Kinks right. 100.
Kinks right.
Yep. Jog right, left 5. Jog right, left 5. Then a right 4, tightens. Right 4, tightens.
Yep.
Left 5. 150.
Left 5.
Yep, there's a left 5 maybe in the middle here. And then a right 5, right 4 long. Right 4 long. Left 5 tightens. Here's your left 5 tightens. Then a left 5 tightens long down.
Nice.
Roller coaster. Might be a 4. Roller coaster into right 5. Let me know the end of the roller coaster. Ends with a right 5,
Right
50.
5.
Right 3 at the junction. Right 3 at the junction. 100. 100. Jog left, right 5. Caution, soft culvert, narrow over 100.
Alright, see how this goes. Soft.
Straight through, kink
yeah.
left over crest, right 3, right 3. Keep left over crest, right 3. Right 5, maybe 50. Straight down, compression.
Yep.
Right up, right 4. Crest. Right 5 short into left 4.
Right 5 short.
Into left 4 long, straight 500. 500. Dust is pretty good. It's nice and clear.
Yeah.
Up right 4. You can carry lots of speed. After the right 4 is a 100. 100 after the right 4. Then a left 1. Nice. Left 1 at the radio station. 50. Nice.
Oh, shit.
Oh, that's all right. Right 4. Followed by a jog right, left 4. Opens. Jog right, left 4, opens. 50. Kink left, right 4. Into sawtooth. Culvert. Up.
Sawtooth.
Here's the sawtooth. Ooh, big rock. Culvert up. 50. Right 4. Kink left. Right 6. Past the tree stand.
Come on, car. Yep.
Kink left. Kink right. This is the left. Then a right. Then a right 6. Then a 50. Right 6 at the T, tightens 5, in. 50, down. Here's a caution coming. Right 4, narrow culvert. Left 4, caution, log. No cut.
Yeah.
Up, kinks right. Left 5 long, tightens at junction. 100.
Tightens at junction. Got it. Oh,
Kink right. Kink left. 50. Left 6. 300. After the 300 is a kink left, right 5. Kink left, right 5. Followed by,
This is it.
followed by a left 6. Opens, maybe long. Kink right, 50.
Oh,
Kink left, kink right. 50. Right 3 into left 3 camber.
Okay, you're a little bit ahead.
Yep, okay. Oh, yeah, okay. Next.
This is kink left, kink's right.
Yep. Oh, okay. King's left, king's right,
Camber.
50, right 3 into left 3, camber. Kink right, left 5 into right 4, 50, left 4 into right 3, opens, super long. Right 3, opens, super long. Left 6, puddles. Here's your left 6, puddles.
Okay.
Followed by a right 6, super long with more puddles.
Oh, okay.
Left 6, past the junction. Right 6. Left 5.
Left 6.
Yep. Right
Okay.
6, left 5.
Right 6. Left 5. Yeah.
Kink right 50. Left 5 compression.
50. Okay.
Yeah. Crest 50. Here's your compression. Crest 50. Followed by a second crest. Left 5 down. Tightens right 4. Right 4 opens. Bump. Right 5. Right 5. Left 5. Nice. 300. 300 past the 100 marker. Over the finish. Here's, whoa, there's the 100. Here's the finish. Slow down. Left 5. Left 5. Right 5.